viewers and subscribers, and this is a mail call video. I received some seeds in the mail, and the seeds are from DevaJones03, one of the gardeners in our wonderful garden community. And she sent me some Roma tomato seeds. I'm excited about this because she sent me some Georgia collards, and if you've been watching her videos, she's been growing these melons that are just huge. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna try to grow at least one plant inside. So it's a Rocky Ford green flesh melon, and I'm so really excited about this one. And also she sent me some local peppers, and I've seen her, I even seen her eat one of these, and I'm scared. But I'm gonna grow some indoors using hydroponics. But I had to post this. I've been meaning to post this, but you know, I have and I don't know, many of you don't know, but I'm a mother of special needs triplets, and they have autism. So they're 25 years old. So my husband and I decided to continue to care for our kids, and it can get quite busy around the house. But yeah, I had to do this video, and a shout out to DevaJones03. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. And until the next video, blessings everyone.